So, guys, welcome. So, today I want us to look at something important. We're talking about Jenkins, trying to go through this material and explain it step by step. I think it's going to go well. This is a freestyle video recording. So, let's go along together. I'll be explaining the concepts one by one. So this is where I am now. Continuous workflow. Trying to see. Actually, you want to know what is a workflow and how is it continuous, right? So for me, workflow is how do your workflow. You let's say you are in a bottling company, maybe Coke or Pepsi or whichever drink or even just water. There's a place where they wash the bottle. There's a place where they get the bottle clean, and the clean bottles are being passed the flow from cleaning to another section, from another section to another section. Is each section has a, let's say, a specific thing that is being done in that section. So the flow from one section to another, getting things done in each section. So there's a place where the bottles will be filled. So after being filled, they get corked, and after getting corked, they get packed. You know, there are some that are corked that will be removed because they didn't pass the QA. Yeah, they also have quality assurance there that they can't go to production. Their production is to the market. Their production is market. Can't get to the market. It's like you getting a bottle of Coke and it is half filled. What happens? You are not meant to get it because it is not meant to pass key. So the moment it passes key and gets to you, there is a bug, there's a problem. We can just say the production is what is broken. So that is workflow, and it has to be continuous. Like like that. Each of the sections. So the same thing with codes. You write codes, you integrate it. What is code integration? That's another thing. I think we should just go along. No, 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 no. Yeah, this you see, it's trying to tell you if you look at now, continuous combines DevOps with Agile. If you look at the definition of Agile, adaptive planning and visionary work is planned, you go through a sprint. Then what does DevOps extend agile philosophy. Now you automate it, then you monitor it. That's being DevOps. Instead of doing it in the agile way manually. So continuous is extending DevOps. Yeah, so that's that. This is where I'm actually going, and this is where I'm actually going to start. Now, continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous development. Are the what are they, and what are the differences, or how are they different? Now, continuous integration is a frequent clinical something of blah blah clinical integration of code. Yeah, you see, integration is just, let's say, I used to give this kind of example. 1 minute, let's say, I used to give this example. Let's say you have a class, you have a school, we have students. These are the students, course, and you have a new student that is coming in. In my own local environment, in my own country, yeah, we usually do in this situation is what the school usually do in this situation is we have different classes. Let's say we have different classes. This is level one. You can say you have different levels. Okay. Don't let me complicate it. This is level one, level two. And this student says they want to go to what? They want to go to level one. What the school would do is test. They are going to test. They get it. The act of the act of taking these students into and joining this student into, let's say this student X, and joining him into this class is integration. That is integration. You want to integrate these students with these students. You want this student to be part of class one, so you integrate. Do you get it? I was talking about test the other time. Actually, before you integrate, you are meant to test this student and say, okay, is your level, is your personal level, will you be able to meet up with this class they want to put? Do you get it? Is your level up to this one? Maybe this is high school one, this is high school two. What they are going to test is, are you able to what? Are you able to cope in this class? If the student is not able to, they can prepare. They will not join in with this class. They will not integrate. Can just prepare a kind of remedial to what, to update these students so that you will be able to join integrate with the students. That's for schooling. Sometimes they will just downgrade the student and say, okay, go to both school three, bring you here. But since these are codes, what you just do is you just integrate. You don't pass to here. Do you get it? So that is integration. Integration is joining a new code with an old code so that you don't break this old code. Because if this guy is not able to cope in this class, he's going to be dragging these people down, because the teacher will have to be explaining the concepts that this student should have understood. Do you understand? That this student should have understood. So this class will not be able to what, progress. They will just be coming down, coming down. That's that's continuous integration.